You did live with my son for know if him not have no? Eh? There's one thing with uno ladies on social media, you know, uno jump to conclusion. You understand me? Right? Me tell some about uno people on social media. Uno just want to see one side of the story, uno not take your time out to look on the other side. You understand? And it don't make any sense. Nobody prove nothing to uno. Right? Uno do it just jump. As uno see something, uno run with it. Yeah, make him come. Me wait for him to come up. Me tell you something. Me go and talk till my son come. I am not taking up for my son. Right? But being around Shannel for so many years, I know who is Shannel. You understand me? No, me not lie to you. Me feel a way for her said she catch a girl in the house. Me feel a way about that for her. Me not lie to you. I was not there. Right? I was not there. Making nobody come blame me. Me feel a way because she can't catch a man on her bed. You understand what I say? Me feel a way about that. Otherwise, me no want nobody come tell no lie upon me. You understand? Because the thing is this, a long time the two of them are bickle and muckle. And them argue and go back and forward. Right? And I never did it. Me never did it and see what happened. None tall. Right? But you must learn to listen to the two side of the story. You must learn to sit down and get the two side of the story instead of now go jump and next now go blame one person. Because the girl was there. The girl did it. And the girl said the man no put no hand on him. There's two sides. And I'm telling you, people in the community was there also. The girl what did they? The girl where they in the house outside, at the time, she was there. Right? I mean, I know him and Shannel talk good, and then plan to come out here come say, then plan to come out here come talk and Tajefi apologize. She said Tajefi does apologize to the public. So why make she come out here and not go on so? Eh? She even talked to me on the phone. She talked to me good on the phone and said, the only way I would take back Tajay, the only way I would take him back, he must go out there and he must apologize. So me say, the man never say him I take back, him just said him apologize. She said she want him go in the public and go apologize. And want him go on social media for go apologize. Right? So me don't know why she would have come out here so and not go on so. My advice to Tajay is move on. My advice to Tajay, move on. My advice to Tajay, move on. That's the only thing me can tell him, say. Move on. Drunk or big stinking blood clot crutches. What you do up here so? Or you tired of me? Me buy your blood clot phone? Dog shit. Me buy your phone? Eh? Hey, me tell you not draw me out, you know. You see how my head look maddy? Hey, me I tell you, do not look here. Don't play with me. You hear me? Or you blood clot tired of me? Me buy your phone? Eh? Me stuck by your wall? So how you feel tired of me? When you come like some stray blood clot dog. No matter how you give dog a big stone in your head, you still find back your way over the people them yard. Listen to me, man. Don't fuck yourself with me, you know. Not because you see me I go on nice because me have a man. And me I get good titty. Don't play with me. You hear me? Oh, fucking bright. I know Tavada. Don't come over here so come ramp with me. I do Shan. We had nobody for my life. We no two mix up. Honey, who trouble you? Oh, God, man. Look down in the comment section. And what happened? No, over here, tell me about people business after me go put my mouth in it. Them can tell me about it's somebody in the comment. Oh, me don't even remember. Sorry, me don't even remember where I go on this while ago. I don't even know what me I cuss for. What want me, baby? And Anna, me know you want positive energy, but sometimes you have to tell people go suck out their mother. And that me I tell you. Sometimes, yeah, you have positive energy, but then you look down and see people so disgusting, you tell them, you're half it, you're a human being. You do not make people come here and say, look here. Delete them. So why can make me see comment if you don't want me answer? You're my moderator. Why you make me see comment if you don't want me answer? If you don't want me see comment, my moderator, me case and get rid of it because I go send up underneath your mama. Watch. Out of her damn bright. Osh. That's alright, Anna. I bright them bright and face, man. Hey, you know me hear about uno people? Uno act like say woman no have them dirty ways and will lie. We have our dirty ways and will lie. I know for the time we in a relationship and we go on like we want rule, man. Me I one of them too. Yeah. There's a time we have to go cool with foot. You understand me? Woman lie. I want to pretend and act like say we not lie. We lie and we full of style. You understand me? I want to go pretend and I go on like. No for no woman a hypocrite. You no like talking writing about yourself. You understand what I say? We have ways and we have style. Sometimes we go and want to rule people and rule man and feel like say we want to conquer the world. Yeah, that me still want to conquer the world. I will conquer the world. Anyway. Yeah, that's what me this say. So some of the time when I hear a woman come out and a ball and a go on certain way, yes, of course a woman are gonna make her side look pretty. Of course a woman are gonna make sure her side looking beautiful because if a boy cheat on me, you know, and me come catch my man with woman pan bed, yeah, me I go down a station and me I fling myself a ground and roll and say, officer, I'm top me no me eye. Yeah, that me I do. I go down and I say, officer, pull out my ear. Because I want to look bad. I want to look bad, you know. I look justice from all sides. I want everybody there on female side. So when I go down there, I tear up my clothes and I fling myself a ground and I say, officer, this is what he did to me. That's how woman stay play match. Yeah, that's how woman end up stay. And many women stay so. I want to know that's the whole heap of woman stay so. You understand me? So sometimes when I learn to listen to two sides of the story, listen. You understand? Right? And I run with everything as a job pound, just take it and run with it. Because she want back the man.